This demonstration is going to go through how to export a catalog to make sure that your files stay intact as raw files, and all of the editing that you do comes along with those with that exported catalog. So I have my catalog here. I have two images that I've gone through and I have edited. This one here, before and after. This one here, before and after. And your catalog that you might be submitting may have more images, but we basically just need these, in this example, these two pictures to be exported into their own unique catalog without any of the additional images coming along with it. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make sure that those two pictures are selected, and I can hold down the Shift button if the two pictures I want to export are right next to each other, or I can use the Command button, which lets me select images that maybe are not next to each other. But in this case, I just want to export 1 and 2. Then I will go up to File and Export as Catalog. And when I do this, what it's going to do is it's going to ask me what file name I want to give this catalog, and that's actually going to be the name of the parent folder that everything ends up nested in. So I'm going to give this a name, for example, let's say Lighting 1, and I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Here it's asking me a series of questions. If I want to export the selected photos only, I do want that checked, otherwise it will bring in all of the other photos in the catalog I'm currently working in, which I don't want. It's asking if I want to export the negative files, which I do. That will ensure that it is the non-destructive editing format that the DNG, or if you're using NEFs or CR2, provides. And then I think it's good to keep these two selected. It will just make it so that when another user opens this up, that the view of your images shows up quicker. And I'm going to go ahead and say Export Catalog. It should work pretty quickly up in my progress window there. Then when I come to my desktop where I said I wanted it to save, I have this folder now called Hill_Lighting1. And when I take a look at this, I see that it comes with my catalog, and then inside this folder it has only the two images that I need to submit. If I open up this catalog now, and I'll quickly relaunch it, it's going to open up now this new exported catalog, and in this new exported catalog then I don't have an issue with little exclamation points or question marks, and everything stays intact in that parent folder. And then the other thing that's really helpful is that I can always go in then and reset this back to its original negative if I want to see what the original file looked like. This is what we mean by non-destructive editing. And then all of your edits will be here in your Develop panel. So that is how you do an exported catalog.